You spend your life worrying about the planet and thinking that people don't care, and this has been the most inspiring. You're amazing, all of you. Thank you so much.
So today we have been looking at our chickpea korma, which is a deforestation-free alternative to chicken korma.
These young people have come up with a school meal that is completely deforestation-free.
We put chickpeas instead of the chicken. It has no impact whatsoever to tropical forests. It's not that chicken's bad, it's what it's fed on. Soy is good, but not when it's just monocropped, which is when you cut forests down and just plant and plant and plant soy.
James, you're going to be testing these recipes today.
Yeah, I'm looking out for a new sous chef. I reckon we're in here.
Sustainable ingredients in the school menus is really important. It's not just good for the planet, it's good for the children's health.
These incredible pupils have created a dish that has more protein in it, is better for the planet, and is cheaper.
When they tasted it, they were like, oh my goodness! That means I've done something.
You've done something brilliant.
It's my absolute pleasure to let you know today your chickpea korma will be on the next Monmouthshire primary school menu.
So we have actually made significant difference in the world. I mean, you can't get better than that.
So over 30 schools in Monmouthshire are now going to be having their first deforestation-free dish, and that's just going to be the first dish because we're on a roll now. We should be serving food that is not only good for our health, but the health of our planet.
To be a part of it and to be like the catalyst of change, we know that we've helped people as well as tropical forests. It's just amazing. There's nothing better.
I hope that in a few years' time, we'll have this across the whole country.
We've got this amazing generation. Let's make sure we don't let them down and we support them and help them in every possible way that we can. Who would like to give chickpeas a chance?